So guys, welcome to this really quick tutorial on how you can play Darksiders Warmaster Edition without the cutscene bug on Heroic Games Launcher, also on Steam and Steam Deck. This will pretty much work on every single Linux distribution out there. We also covering like the Heroic Game Launcher specifically, but this the command will work on the normal Steam version as well. So anyway, first of all, you need to have Proton version 9.5. I tested on the latest one, but G Proton, it just does not work. So I'm using G Proton 9.5 for this specifically. And what you need to do after installing this, you just need to click on this folder icon so that you know where it's installed, because we need this later on. So go back to the launcher again, and then what you need to do, just after you done installing Proton, just select it over here and launch the game once, so that it can generate like everything like prefix and all. Next up, what you need to do, you need to go onto your browser. Basically there's a GitLab link down in the description. Go onto this page, click on code, download it at zip, then go back. After that, go to the downloads folder, extract this file here. Then you need to have basically open the terminal over here. Okay, so I'm giving you this command. It's in the description somewhere. If you not find it, I'm gonna host it on some text editor online, something like that, because sometimes like YouTube cuts down the long commands. So anyway, so what you need to do, if you're using Proton, okay, you need to have this command here, install mf64.sh. After that, you need to have dash Heroic Proton. Okay, this is the prefix. If you're using Heroic, you need to use this. If not, just go with like the normal. You just have to remove that. Okay, so anyway, next up is Wine prefix. So how we gonna get the Wine prefix? We can just get this, click here, and we can like find this folder. We can just simply copy this and then paste it in the command right here. Okay, we can paste this here. So that's your Wine prefix. Next is Proton. So where we gonna find the Proton version? I already showed you, like you could just need to go to Heroic, Wine Manager, and then you can just simply click on this folder icon, and it's right here. Okay, so this is right here. So now we're using 9.5. Keep in mind, you have to open this up, select this. After that, you need to paste this over here in this line. Okay, make sure you have these quotation marks here, otherwise this won't work. So once you did this, this is the command. You just have to click on enter. In the meantime, I recommend you close off the Heroic launcher before executing this command. So once now the whole thing is compiling, it will take some time. It depends on your hardware. So that's done. Now it's saying you need to get the mfplat.dll into your application directory. So what we need to do, we need to go back to our download folder wherever we extracted this mf Steam Deck main or whatever. Copy this file. This is mfplat.dll. Now close the file manager. Open up your Heroic Games Launcher again, in case you don't know where the game is installed. So this is the easiest method to do it. So now click on Darksiders Warmaster Edition, click on this install path here, and just copy and like paste this file over here. So I already have this, so we're gonna override this. So this is done. Now what we need to do, this is pretty much it. Now you just have to launch the game. You can like enable all your other stuff like Mango Herd and stuff. So let's launch this and test if like the cutscene is finally working or not, because before it just skips cutscene every time like there's a pre-rendered video cutscene, it just skip it. And so for that we need Windows Media Foundation core stuff or something, whatever it's called. So now this will take like a couple of seconds to start, at least in the first run. Oh, there we go. So as you can see, the THQ Nordic logo came up right here. After that, like there's more logos and stuff. So that means that your fix is finally working nicely. Okay, remember though, if you're using the Steam version, you need to find your Proton path and the game prefix path. That's all there is to it. I'm not so very sure about Steam version though. I will look into it and create an updated tutorial for that, but I need Darksiders on Steam for this. So let's quit that. And that's it for the video, guys. Make sure to leave a like on this if this video helps you out, and share with whoever needs it. And if you need more Linux related tutorials and content, make sure to subscribe, because I do like to cover Linux and emulation related content on the channel now. And I'm gonna see you in the next one. Have a good day.